Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix delayed notifications on the POCO M8. So if you feel like your notifications come in with a delay, so for example you just received the notification, you tap on it and it says that it has been sent, or the thing that you've been notified about actually happened a long time ago, you can fix that. So to do that, the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings, and tap on apps, and then just find the app that you want to fix. So for example, let's do Facebook. And then what we have to do is tap on battery and change the battery saver option from battery saver or whatever option is enabled to no restrictions. So battery saver doesn't restrict apps activity. And now if we return, we also can disable the pause app activity if unused, like that. So now the app will be working in the background the whole time, and once the notification pops up, it's going to send it out immediately. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.